Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Nginx config templates for Ubuntu VPS hardening, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your terminal on your Ubuntu VPS. Ensure you have root access or use a user with sudo privileges. Update your package list by running the command sudo apt update. Next, install Nginx if it's not already installed, using the command sudo apt install Nginx. Now, create a directory to store your Nginx configuration templates by typing dir/Nginx templates. Change to this new directory using cd/Nginx templates. To find suitable Nginx config templates for hardening, search online for reputable sources. Look for GitHub repositories that offer Nginx configuration files designed for security. Once you've found a repository, copy the raw URL of the config files you wish to download. Return to your terminal and use the git command to download the files. For example, type git, paste the raw URL here. Repeat this process for each configuration template you need. After downloading, view the list of files in your directory using ls. Edit your Nginx config files to customize them according to your server requirements. Open the file with a text editor, such as nano, by typing nano filename. Make necessary adjustments, paying special attention to security settings like server tokens and CRS policies. Once you've made your changes, save and exit the editor. Next, test the Nginx configuration for syntax errors using sudo nginxt. If everything is correct, restart Nginx to apply the new configurations with sudo system restart Nginx. Finally, monitor your server logs to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Your Nginx server is now hardened with the downloaded config templates. Make sure to regularly check for updates on the templates to maintain security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.